Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also love unboxings, you guys. Today is my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of February. If you're unfamiliar with the OG, the original Ipsy Glam bag, this is a $14 monthly beauty subscription where you get 5 travel try me size items. It is the subscription that I've gotten for the longest amount of time. I have received this since March of 2015, so almost 10 years. And I have always said, for me personally, Ipsy Glam bag, subscription boxes in general, but I really like the Ipsy Glam bag because I feel like I get the best bang for my buck. I can try tons of new brands, different makeup, hair, skincare, things like that at a very affordable price before investing and paying full price for items. And if you are a newbie to makeup, you have a little beauty in your life who is new to makeup, skincare, things like that, it's a really affordable way to try to build a collection, test products, see what you like, see what you don't like. And if you're somebody that travels a lot, I love getting the travel minis. All right, and the bag this month is so freaking cute, you guys. It is a very, very soft blushy pink with hearts. And then the zipper pull looks like a little lollipop. I think this is one of my favorite bags we've ever gotten. But outside of the bag itself is the Pacifica Glow Baby Super Lit Enzyme Scrub, Exfoliate and Brighten. And that is actually a pretty good size. Now we'll go into the bag. Y'all, I cannot get over that. That is cute. And of course, you know, pink and yellow are my favorite colors. I do like that it's also trimmed in like a lime green shade. I love this bag. All right. Our theme for this month is Self-Love Starts Here. Take a page from Gabrielle Union's book on self-love and fall for February's glam bag of feel-good beauty. And Gabrielle Union is the curator of the Icon box for this month. I will be receiving that hopefully soon, so I'll have that up for you guys as well. And it will give us a little sneak peek. It will let us know pertinent details, information, pricing, and things like that. I'll talk about that when we go through all the items. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way. I'm actually filming and uploading this on Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. All right, next up in my bag is the, I have no idea, the Mo Beauty. I can't really tell what else it says. I do see Mo Beauty. I'm going to assume it's like a blush. Chili Crisp Mo Jelly Blush and Lip Tint. That sounds amazing. And as usual, I have on a little bit of lip product. We can take it off if we need to. Brows and base. So hopefully we can test some products. I will test this. Next up is the Derma Firm Cica C Essence Toner with Centella Asiatica Leaf. And it says Essence Toner, Centella Asiatica Leaf Extract 80%. Experience immediate alleviation from intense soothing. And this generally is going to help with like redness, things like that. It says has panthenol, calms the skin, acne treatment. I'm intrigued by that. Soothing and calming, improves skin clearness, formulated for sensitive and acne-prone skin. That sounds awesome. Okay. Next up, I have the Goldfaden MD Radiance Repair Daily Renewal Serum. And then last up is the Chica Beauty, the Champagne Glow Liquid Highlighter. So we have a highlighter, we have the blush / lip, we have an essence toner, our serum, and the enzyme scrub. My profile is that I prefer a skincare heavy bag, so I like to see 3 skincare, 2 makeup. They nailed it there. I also just realized how the inside of this bag looks. That is so pretty, you guys. I love this bag. Like, I love the actual bag itself. The overall bag as a collective, I'm gonna give it like a 4 out of 5. It's not blowing my socks off, but it's still a good bag overall. I am gonna test this blush for y'all. I think this is going to be a little too deep for me right now. Maybe I can test it in the summertime, but I do want to test this blush out. If this is comparable to the Milk Makeup Jelly ones, then I really, really think I'm going to like this type of product. This is more of like a tint. If you have tried the Milk Makeup ones, like they last forever on the skin. All right. It has pretty much the same type of component, a little thicker. It does have the little protective cap on here. I do keep mine on my Milk Makeup ones. It actually looks a little bit bigger than those, but still the exact same concept. You can see it's kind of like mushy, and then instantly it's going to like stain whatever you put it on, and it stains. just noting that for you guys. I'm actually just going to use my finger because I did have a little something something on already. And if you've ever made like Jello jigglers, it's that vibe, the way that it feels. Ooh, pretty. And I use my Milk makeup ones all the time. I love them. More specifically in the summertime though, because you do get that wear. I do not ever go straight from the component. They just kind of stick in place. Like you can see my fingers just from taking it and touching it for a second to swipe it on my lips. I never take it straight from the tube onto my face. Let me find the right brush. I like to go in with a firm domed style brush. I'm going to just take a little bit onto the brush from here. And you can see it picks up beautifully. And then I will press it into place. And for me, this offers better application versus trying to go straight to, you know, the skin from the tube, because it is incredibly, incredibly pigmented and it does stick in place. But if you do it in this manner, or if you go straight to the skin without your foundation on, put it in place, press it out, and then let it sit for a second, and then apply like a tinted moisturizer, so you're kind of seeing like a kiss of coverage, it looks really stunning that way. Yeah, I love this. That color is beautiful. You can see that I started off with a very little amount of product and it was just a little bit softer, a little bit lighter, more diffused, but you can build it up, I do believe, to full opacity. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That is a 1000% spot on, 100% dupe for the Milk makeup. And I like to, actually, I'll do it here for y'all too today. But when I was using the Milk makeup ones last year, when I first got them, and like more specifically, like I said, in the summertime, I literally would do a little bit of tinted moisturizer, you know, do my brow and stuff like that. And I will take this and run it right there on my crease. It feels so light, so thin, very cooling. And kind of instantly, like don't let it set for too long, and kind of instantly just press it out. And then that same, you know, blush color is on your eyes, your cheeks, and now that I know I like it, I'll use some lips, and your lips. So literally in like, what, 2 minutes, you have a very easy, very beginner friendly, very beautiful, long wearing, monochromatic look. Like I cannot express how easy these are to use. They're not beginner friendly in the sense of if you open this and put it straight to your cheeks, I don't believe you'll like it. But if you work from, like I said, work from a brush, like the result is beautiful. And again, literally running it here, putting it on the lips, putting it on the cheeks, like literally I have a look with one little product. I love these types of products, love. Yeah, 4 out of 5, not bad, not blowing my socks off. The blush though, beautiful. I love that. Like I'm so excited to have that. And so excited to know that there's, I'm assuming this is probably cheaper, I don't know, but I'm assuming that it is. We're gonna find out. But to have a dupe for the Milk makeup, yes please. All right, first up, we had our Pacifica Beauty Glow Baby Super Lit Enzyme Scrub. Like a facial in a bottle, this scrub is packed with gentle exfoliators like rice starch, skin smoothing fruit extracts, renewing glycolic acid, and brightening vitamin C to whisk away impurities, unclog pores, and reveal fresh, radiant skin underneath. And obviously with an exfoliating type product, you want to start using it 1 to 2 times a week, specifically have sensitive skin or dry skin. This is a travel size. The MSRP would be $5. Next up was our Gold Fatten MD Radiance Repair Serum. Need to turn up your skin's natural luminosity and brightness? Yes, please. Look to this radiance enhancing serum. It reduces signs of aging like fine lines, discoloration, and dullness with a proprietary bioactive reverse technology that gives your skin its glow back. After cleansing, smooth a pump over your face and neck, patting in until fully absorbed. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $95. So this kind of goes back to what I was saying initially, where say somebody recommended this. Say I saw it online somewhere and I was like, oh, hell yeah. I paid $95 for it and I hate it. I'm out that $95. But if I've tried it in this manner and I love it, like I notice drastic results, whatever the case may be, then I can opt to pay the $95. All right, next up was the Chica Beauty product. This is the Chica Beauty Liquid Highlighter in Champagne Glow. One swipe of this glow-getting liquid highlighter delivers a luminous, sheer golden shimmer that blends into the skin like a dream. Plus, the built-in castor oil, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid help keep your skin hydrated and soft, aka no creasing or dryness to be seen here. And it says dab a small amount onto your cheekbones and gently blend with your fingers or brush. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $20. I also like that we are given the information, the pricing, the best way to apply, and things like that. I really like that. I like that it's an informative thing, but you're also getting pretty stuff. Next up is the DermaFirm product. This is the DermaFirm Cica AC Soothing Essence Toner. Need a chill pill for your complexion? This toner calms with soothing superstars like Cica to help restore balance in stressed out skin. While a blend of peeling acids work to brighten dullness, exfoliate away dead skin cells, and even out your skin tone. Soak a cotton ball with the essence and sweep across your face after cleansing. This is a deluxe sample. The full size will be $23. And noting, if you are using exfoliation type products like these, retinols, vitamin C's, very specific kind of targeted type products, please use SPF and be cautious when you're going out into the sun and stuff like that. And then last but certainly not least is the blush, the MVP of this bag, in my opinion. This is the Mo Beauty Mo Jelly Blush and Lip Tint in Chili Crisp. Want the juiciest, glowiest flush of your life? Just a swipe of this glossy blush stick will have everyone jelly. The terracotta red shade will get your cheeks and lips lustrous and feeling nourished all day long, thanks to super hydrating ingredients like aloe and hyaluronic acid. Glide this over the apples of your cheeks and your lips to leave a hint of tint and glow. I would not recommend you putting this straight to your cheeks. It's going to stick in place. That is at least my experience with the Milk Makeup ones. This is a full size and it is $32. That's expensive. I don't even think the Milk Makeup ones are that much. I'm not quite sure what the sizing is on this. I do not have my glasses on, so I'm going to hold this very, very, very close so that you can see it and I can also see it in editing. And then I'll grab one of my Milk Makeup ones. I do have a few. And then we'll see comparatively. So hopefully we can see that. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot of money. I mean, I love this look. I love this product, and it's gonna last you a lifetime. So, do I feel like it's warranted and I feel like it's worth the price point? Sure. And this is a full size. Just this more than pays for the entire $14 bag. So, I'm not mad at it, but holy crap, that's expensive. That's way more expensive than I anticipated it being. I have tried quite a few products from Mo Beauty from subscription boxes. More specifically, like their brow products, I think are great. But that is it. What did you guys think? Are we bag twins? Let me know. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Don't forget, we just launched merch, and y'all, I'm really proud of it, and I think I did a darn good job. If you've been here for a while, you'll understand most of the sayings, but it's all about positivity, positive affirmations, things like that. Thank y'all so much for the love and support. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.